Hey guys, I'm your host today, aka Yano. Let's turn this 2022 version of Ricochet from WWE from Lucha Underground. We present to you his best version yet, Prince Puma. Shall we? Unfortunately, the best attires of Ricochet, the Tekken Jin inspired one, is coming to an end. Because we will be giving even better one. Is it only me, or are you feeling satisfied with the spiel? After taking off his pants manually, he'll look like this. It reminds me of his AEW run. Now let's cover his ass with white paper towel. And now we'll apply yellow insulation tab on top of it for better brightness. It end up too bright, isn't it? Now take two CD markers, especially red and black. And if you're artist, you're lucky. And if you're not, just do whatever you want. For non-artist, it's best you draw red dots on the attire and some black underneath it, leaving a gap between them. It creates an illusion, but it still works. It's a simple move. Just quickly take a black insulation tab and cover the legs. Just like that, it'll end up being like this. I think he reflects a lot of light. Let's turn the flash off. I mean, we can't blame him for flashing. If you know, you know. Let's move on with his wrist tapes. Starting by removal of the old one to apply the new one. Our boy Ricochet still looks good with the Prince Puma attire. Now let's make a Prince Puma mask with a little bit of a tissue. Take a small piece and cover his head. Use transparent cello tab to join them. And a yellow insulation tab on top of it. Unfortunately, I got a rough one, but if you get a smooth insulation tab, it will be better. Now that process is done. Let's give them details using some CD markers. Usually this process takes the most time out of you. But don't worry, I'll just increase the speed of the video so you can see it within seconds. Now that we have marked the details of his face, let's give him his eyes and mouth back to him. Stick inside them carefully without pulling it back. What did I say? I'm just curious, why did Ricochet mask had a hole for his mouth and he clearly can't speak? Maybe it's time for a redesign and seal it. I don't know whether Ricochet knows to use it, regardless of his promo work. Luckily, I had a dark brown pen so I can fill in the details necessary for it. If you like these types of videos, I made a special playlist for you guys, custom DIY, if you want to check more of this. Ricochet is in a break now, but when he returns, he must come with a new gimmick, probably the best version of himself. The return of the Prince Puma. And be the main event superstar that he always was in Lucha Libre. So he can shut them out and talk with his moves only. So you know this was the last step. So yeah, this is the figure. The Prince Puma, the alter ego, the best version of Ricochet that we all love and respect. He is officially the part of the attire family. Now let's compare what was and what is now. Now, which version of Ricochet is your favorite? To be honest, I like Ricochet, but I always loved Prince Puma and his charm and his energy. He feels like a complete different person. I really wish he bring back this gimmick for one last time, or at least a good run. Time is running out for everyone. He should bring it sooner or later until his body doesn't perform as it used to. Well, this is my version of Prince Puma, of course. You know what to do. Thank you for spending valuable time for my channel. Peace.